Check out this crazy machine. You may not find an application like this in a factory, but to demonstrate the accuracy of our Sure Servo motion control systems, we built this. This Automation Direct demo showcases the motion control and high-speed capabilities of productivity PLCs and Sure Servo systems. As you can see, there are two custom discs, each with 20 fingers, that are mounted on two servo motors positioned 90 degrees from each other. There are 4 different motion profiles in which the Productivity PLC commands the servo system to carefully pass the delicate fingers of the 2 discs between each other. These interwoven passes leave very little room for error, requiring precise motion control. The demo is one of my favorites. It's fun to watch and slightly nerve-wracking. If you have an upcoming motion control, PLC, or control systems project, be sure to check out Automation Direct for all of your automation needs. You can find info to the PLCs here and motion control products here.